Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 23rd August. Let's start. In the year of 1456, on this day, Johannes Gutenberg of Germany printed the first copy of the Bible from the world's first printing press, which became known as the Gutenberg Bible. In the year of 1875, on this day, Rajkumar Shukla, a freedom fighter and one of the prominent people of Champaran Satyagrah, was born. In the year of 1922, on this day, there was a rebellion in Morocco against Spain. In the year of 1939, on this day, the Soviet Union and Germany signed a treaty not to attack each other. In the year of 1944, on this day, Saira Banu, the famous heroine of Indian films, was born. In the year of 1947, on this day, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was appointed as the Deputy Prime Minister of the country. In the year of 1979, on this day, the Iranian army opened a front against the Kurds. In the year of 1986, on this day, Sambhu Anbhavane of Bombay holded the record by winning the longest typing marathon. In the year of 1990, on this day, East and West Germany declared their union on 3 October. In the year of 1990, on this day, Armenia declared independence. In the year of 1994, on this day, Aarti Shah, India's famous female swimmer, passed away. In the year of 1995, on this day, the country's first cellular phone was commercially introduced in Calcutta. In the year of 1997, on this day, the patent for turmeric that was granted to the University of Mississippi Medical Center in the USA 4 years ago was revoked. In the year of 1999, on this day, talks were resumed on recognition issues between Israel and Palestine. In the year of 2001, on this day, Punia massacre in which Indian politician Relu Ram Punia and 7 members of his family were mass murdered. In the year of 2003, on this day, at least 21 people were killed when a spacecraft exploded before lunch in Brazil. In the year of 2003, on this day, Pakistan's President Pervez Musharraf announced that Pakistan will maintain minimum protective arms. In the year of 2007, on this day, 30 manuscripts of Rigveda were included in UNESCO's World Register of Memorials. In the year of 2007, on this day, the Supreme Court of the Pakistan allowed Nawaz Sharif, the former Chief Minister of Pakistan who was living in exile, to return home. In the year of 2011, on this day, scientists from the Chinese Academy of Sciences locate the origin of the Brahmaputra and the Indus rivers and complete an extensive satellite study of the length of their course. In the year of 2018, on this day, Kuldeep Nayar, India's famous writer and journalist, passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, South African all-rounder Jack Scalise, Pakistan batting great Zaheer Abbas, and Pune-born former Australian captain Liza Sthalekar were inducted into the International Cricket Council's Hall of Fame in a virtual ceremony. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Finance Ministry had said that from now on, businesses with an annual turnover of up to 40 lakh rupees will be exempted from GST. In addition, businesses with a turnover of up to rupees 1.5 crore rupees can now opt for the composition scheme by paying only 1% tax. In the year of 2020, on this day, Odisha's Department of Fisheries and Animal Resources had launched a new scheme to promote intensive aquaculture through biofloc technology in fisheries. Biofloc-based farming system is an advanced fish farming technology which has been introduced in the state to provide livelihood support to the young entrepreneurs and aspiring progressive fish farmers of the state. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.